In today's video, we'll be exploring the top 5 best nail drill machines available on the market. We've done the hard work for you by researching extensively and going through numerous real user reviews to create this list. If you want more details or the latest pricing on any of the nail drill machines mentioned, make sure to check the links in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Now, let's dive in. Number 5, Timissfox 35,000 RPM Electric Manicure Drill Set. The Timissfox 35,000 RPM Nail Drill Set is a versatile tool for professional nail care. Designed for both salons and home use, it offers high-speed precision for manicures and pedicures. Its user-friendly controls and ergonomic design ensure ease of use. With multifunctional drill bits, it handles filing, polishing, and buffing effortlessly. The powerful motor delivers smooth operation, reducing vibration for a comfortable experience. Ideal for professionals and beginners, it's a must-have for flawless nails. Number 4, Strong 210 Pro, High-Power Nail Drill. The Strong 210 Pro is designed for professionals who need precision and power. With a high-speed 50,000 RPM motor and 65 W output, it ensures smooth and efficient nail care. It comes with 6 drill bits for various applications, from polishing to shaping. The foot switch provides hands-free control, enhancing convenience during use. Built for durability and reliability, this nail drill is perfect for salons and experienced nail technicians looking for superior performance and control. Number 3, 40,000 RPM Rechargeable Nail Drill Machine. This 40,000 RPM rechargeable nail drill is perfect for professionals and DIY nail enthusiasts. It features a segment LCD screen displaying RPM and battery status, ensuring precision. The ultralight handpiece offers comfort during long sessions, while the pause button allows convenient work breaks. With its powerful motor, it delivers smooth and effortless manicures and pedicures. Whether shaping, filing, or polishing, this machine ensures salon-quality results at home. Its portability and efficient design make it a reliable choice. Number 2, 35,000 RPM Wireless Nail Sander Set with LED Display, designed for salons, home use, and travel. This 35,000 RPM wireless nail drill set offers flexibility and convenience. The long battery life ensures 6 to 8 hours of operation, while the LCD display provides real-time battery, speed, and rotation direction updates. Its lightweight and wireless design make it easy to use anywhere. With 6 polishing heads and high-quality sanding belts, it delivers precision and efficiency. Perfect for achieving salon-quality nails on the go, this drill is a game-changer. Number 1, SIMINAIL Rechargeable Nail Drill, 35,000 RPM. The SIMINAIL 35,000 RPM Rechargeable Nail Drill is ideal for home and professional use. It offers 8 to 10 hours of battery life, ensuring long-lasting performance. The forward/reverse button provides versatility, making it suitable for right and left-handed users. Its lightweight, portable design ensures easy handling, while the high-speed motor delivers precise nail shaping and polishing. Perfect for manicures and pedicures, this drill is a must-have for those seeking salon-quality results in the comfort of their home.